So right now we are here at Jumeirah Road. So we will go to the KFC. So this is a Jumeirah branch from KFC. Can we have a dinner meal for 2 people? How many minutes it will be take? Okay, take it this food. We will take the takeaway. It is a very good KFC. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन दशर सुबह में आबिद शरीफ आपको खुश आमदीद कहता है वेलकम मरहबा तो राइट नाउ वी आर हेयर एट जुमेरा रोड इन दुबई so we will go to the KFC and we will take today dinner KFC and we will show you the KFC branch on Jumeirah Road. This is the entrance of KFC and right now I am going inside, so come with me. So this is a Jumeirah branch from KFC and we will there is a self service and also there is a, we can give the order, so I will give them order. Can we have a dinner meal for 2 people?
For?
Dinner meal.
Dinner meal. 4 pieces, 3 pieces.
3 pieces is okay.
3 pieces. So you can order with that KFC there.
Sorry?
You can order with that KFC.
No, I want to give you the order.
Yes?
You cannot take the order?
No, we just cash out. We will only take the order for you.
So we will put over there?
Come with the receipt, then I cash out for you.
Okay, you will take the cash, huh?
Yeah, I will take the cash, the card you pay there.
Okay, so guys, there is option. You want to take a takeaway or dining. So I will go for the dining. This is the dining. And now I will select which meals you want. You have to select. And then there is they give other option as well. So I am looking for the dinner meal. We take the order from here and then invoice will come like this and then we will take. Automatic will be go to the counter and to the kitchen. They will prepare the food. So when my time coming, my number coming, I will take it. How many minutes it will be take?
Yes, 15 minutes.
Sorry? Okay, thank you. So guys, order is done. It will take maybe 2 to 3 minutes will come my order. I pay the money also here and this is the live, everything you can see what they are doing here. Guys, this is the KFC counter in Jumeirah Road and there is food is coming from here, you can see. Staff is working also live.
43 please, 43.
Okay, take it this food. We will take the takeaway. It is a very good KFC. I eat a spicy one. I order the spicy and it's a good, very good, mashallah. Alhamdulillah, we enjoy the KFC today. I order a spicy French fries with the cheese sauce and also very good taste. Today our experience in KFC, it was a good and we take some also parcel for my friends and everything was okay, everything was perfect and spicy chicken I order and I would like to recommend you to order also spicy chicken. Spicy chicken little bit have a more good I feel. So thank you very much for watching and Allah Hafiz.